Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're watching from. I'm Joe, your tech handyman. In today's video we are just going to continue in our series Shotcut Video Editing. So in this series, of course, started a few days ago, so we've been touching on various aspects of editing, video editing with Shotcut. So in this particular video I will introduce you to Shotcut Transitions. Transitions in videos are very important editing element in the editing process. So I will take you throughout all the transition functions that are there in Shotcut and show you how they can be implemented. If today is the very first time of you watching, please remember to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so that anytime I drop content, especially in this series, you'll be the very first to know. Now if you're ready, let's do it. So guys, launch your Shotcut editor, and then here where you have the project name, just quickly input the project name for this particular edit. In this case, I'm just doing Shotcut Transition tutorial. So once you have your project name in place, just click on start. Once you start, this is the preview window, and this is where you have the playlist. So just click on open file. And then once you open, you can actually bring in multiple files by highlighting them and clicking open. So you can see here I have the two files right in there. You know, this is the first one and then this is the second file. So what I'm gonna do is to take it to the timeline by clicking this plus. If you followed all this while, you understand how this is done easily. So another way is to just click on the particular clip and drag it to the position you want it to be on the timeline, just like so. Now notice something as I'm going to play. Once I play, and then it quickly moves to the next clip, a very sharp cut right there. That is actually transition. So I'm going to show you how to put in more dynamic transition to your edit. So first things first, I will separate, or should I say I will split these clips into different parts, and then to enforce what we have learned before, just drag the playhead to where you want to split, and then use the split playhead button key on this editor, or you use the S on your keyboard to split the clips into the parts that you want. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm using the shortcut S to split all my clips, just like so, and then the return to the preview to the previous clip function has been used. So if you drag this one out, you can see there are two different clips right here in this space. This is clip one and this is the next clip right there. So I'll just drag it all together and then return it to the previous. These are some of the things we have learned already. So once you want to implement the transition, just drag one part of the clip over the others and overlay on the other one, then right click on it, click on properties from the drop down. The next window you will see will be the transition window, and there are quite a number of transitions here. There are over 20 transitions, so the default is at dissolve. You know, so what it means, once it plays to that place, it dissolves into the next clip. This might not look that much, but if you keep your eyes on the video in the preview pane, you will notice that. So I will change that particular one by dragging another clip onto another one. Then from here you can select any clip that you want, and you can see once I drag it over, it pops up this window, I mean the transition window, because I've already initiated it. So keep your eyes on this little preview window too. It shows you what it will be like once the transition is effected, and the large preview screen as well, you know. So you can use this place to bring in your custom transition, which I'm going to show you in another video. So I'm going to repeat the same process again, you know, by clicking and dragging, and then I will select bar horizontal. If you keep your eyes on this little preview pane, you will see how it will look exactly once played. It might not look that much on the main preview screen, but keep your eyes on the little preview window to really understand how that works. So I'm going to implement all of them using the same method. Drag the particular clip that you wanted to transition to onto the other one that is playing, and then select from the drop down the particular transition that you want to use. In this case, I want to use diagonal top right. If you keep your eyes on the small screen right there, you see how it looks. Sometimes the name might not give you the exact picture of what you should expect, but once you keep your eyes on the little screen like so, you see how it is nicely, you know, flowing down. So I'm just doing different transitions, you know, using the same method, dragging the clips over each other, and then right clicking and then selecting properties and then selecting my transition. So once that is achieved, you can see, you know, the last one I'm going to do is Irish box. I've actually done that. So if I take my playhead all the way back and then export this video, just keep an eye on how it's going to play, because that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And then once I play, just keep your eyes on the video and you see the magic that will happen by way of transition. So this is the first clip. Notice how it drags from the top all the way down, and notice how this one comes like a V, you know, to transition over. Notice how this one you know, like a box, Irish, you know, dissolving away. So guys, this is how you do it, transitions and shortcuts. Ensure that you position it right where you want it to happen, and then use the same method of dragging one clip over the other one, and then to achieve the particular transition that you want, select the transition that you want, and then voila, as easy as that, you already have your transition in place. So guys, experiment with this and then see what you can make of it. You are getting closer for you to towards you becoming a proficient video editor with some of these tutorials we've done so far. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next. Bye.